Okay, let's just start at the very beginning. Simple circuit with a voltage source and a resistor. And let's say that the voltage source is 5 volts. That's the unit for voltage is volts. And let's say that the resistor is 10 ohms. And the unit for resistance is ohms. That's a Greek capital omega. And we want to find the current. So we're going to pick a direction for the current. Now, it doesn't matter what direction we pick, but if our current comes up positive, then that means that's the direction the current is flowing. If it comes up negative, it means the current is flowing the opposite direction. I'm going to choose the current this direction. And the reason why is this is the positive terminal of the voltage source, and this is the negative terminal of the voltage source. And when we find the current, and this is the part that a lot of people don't understand, is that when we say V equals IR, this is not just any voltage. This is the voltage change across the object that you're looking at. And so we know that this side of the voltage source is 5 volts higher than the negative side of the voltage source. That's what it means to have the plus and minus on the voltage source, that the positive side is this many more than the negative side. So if we arbitrarily choose this to be ground, then that means that we're saying this is at 0 volts. Then that if the other side is 5 volts higher, then this is at 5 volts. And that everything that is connected without an element in there is all at the same voltage. So everything here is at 5 volts. And everything on the other side of the circuit, all of this is at 0 volts. So if we want to find the current across the resistor, then this voltage means the voltage on the starting side, call that VA, minus the voltage on the ending side, call that VB, and that's what we mean by voltage. And that equals the current times the resistance. So VA, the starting side, is 5 volts. The ending side is 0 volts. And that equals the current times 10 ohms. So 5 volts equals 10 ohms times the current, or the current equals 5 over 10 amps. A volt divided by an ohm is an amp, or the current equals 0.5 amps, or 500 milliamps. To go from amps to milliamps, you move the decimal 3 places to the right.